In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the red cross mark on folders and icons in Windows 11. This can be a frustrating issue, especially if you rely on OneDrive to manage your files seamlessly across devices. But don't worry, we'll get your files back in sync in no time. To begin, let's focus on checking the OneDrive status. If you've noticed the red cross mark appearing on your files or folders, particularly in your Documents, Desktop, or Pictures folders, it might be linked to OneDrive's syncing process. Go ahead and click on the OneDrive Cloud icon located in your taskbar. This is usually found on the bottom right corner of your screen. Your task here is to check for any sync errors. If you see a message indicating that syncing is paused, that might be the culprit behind the red crosses. To resume syncing, click on Help and Settings and then select Resume Syncing from the drop-down menu. This action prompts OneDrive to continue its synchronization work. While doing this, make sure to resolve any reported errors that might pop up, as these could be another cause for the red marks you're seeing. Let's move on to restarting OneDrive itself. Occasionally, a simple restart can resolve sync issues that didn't clear up with the previous steps. To do this, you'll need to press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This will open up the Run dialog box. Inside the box, type the following command: %localappdata% Microsoft/OneDrive, OneDrive, exe/reset. After entering this command, press Enter or click OK and wait a few minutes for OneDrive to reset itself. Once the reset is complete, restart OneDrive. You can do this by searching for OneDrive in the Windows Start menu, or by finding it in your list of programs and clicking to open it. This step ensures that OneDrive starts up fresh, hopefully resolving any persisting issues. It's worth noting that after you restart it, OneDrive will automatically attempt to resync with the cloud. By ensuring that your OneDrive is actively syncing without errors and by resetting the application itself, you should find that the red cross marks gradually disappear as your files and folders return to their proper synced state. If you find that issues persist, it could be helpful to check if there are any updates available for either Windows itself or OneDrive, as developers regularly release patches that could resolve such glitches. Remember, a stable internet connection is crucial for OneDrive to function correctly, so it's good practice to ensure your internet is working well throughout this process. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful in resolving those pesky red cross issues on your Windows 11 system. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.